Hey guys, Mickey Chastain here with the Knauf Academy. Did you know that May is National Asthma Awareness Month? With that in mind, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about one of its potential triggers, indoor air quality. Indoor air quality refers to the quality of the air in a home, school, office, or building. And with most of us on average spending around 90% of our time indoors, indoor air quality can have a significant impact on our health. The EPA has estimated that the levels of indoor air pollutants are often 2 to 5 times higher than outdoor levels. So finding ways to reduce potential exposure when in our homes or offices is important. One of the ways that you can do that is by using products that are GREENGUARD certified. GREENGUARD certified products have been tested and scientifically proven to emit only low levels of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. VOCs are carbon-based chemicals like formaldehyde that easily become vapors or gases. They can be found in many of the items that we come into contact with almost on a daily basis, including floor coverings, wall paints, furnishings, disinfectants, and building materials, including insulation. Now, I know insulation is often an out-of-sight or out-of-mind type product for most of us, but it's constantly at work in our homes and offices. Whether it's wall, floor, or attic insulation helping with heating and cooling, or duct wrap or duct liner as part of our HVAC system, we're almost always constantly exposed to it. So the next time you have a project that needs insulation, be sure to choose products that are GREENGUARD certified. You'll be creating a healthier indoor environment for yourself and those around you.